Hey everybody, my name's Devin. I'm a developer at Deephaven, and I apologize in advance for my horrible camera angle. It's down by my keyboard here, and it's not very flattering. But with that, this is February week 2 for the Deephaven community team, and I'm the only one with the demo today, and I'll jump right to it. This is going to be completely from a terminal session, so hopefully everybody will be able to see it and read it. I hope that is visible. Is that visible?
Yes.
Great. So today Deephaven publishes a few artifacts to Maven Central. I'm just looking at my local repository here, but if I go ahead and list them all out, there are 9 jars here, or POM files, which describe the dependencies of a jar. And these are focused around supporting the Deephaven Java client. But of course, Deephaven is also a server, and hopefully with next month's release, we will be publishing all of our jars that are needed for a server. And so a little bit of a preview for what that looks like. I am, for our next version, 0.10.0, local repository. If I list all of them, we will see all of our POMs there. So this took a bit of engineering work on our back end. It's still ongoing right now, but it is about 78 jars, give or take. Now, you don't need all of them. Some of them are optional, but we've got some of the engineering structure in place to publish all that stuff. And just more for the development team, I do want to brag about a little feature here. So all of the libraries need to declare themselves as Java public or Java local. Right here is an application mode project. And if we switch this from Java public to Java local, this is a jar that is necessary for publishing. And we try to build, we'll get an error, a helpful error message, saying that application mode must be public because the server depends on it. So project server has a dependency on a non-public project. So we can have some safety in making sure that we're, all of the jars we want to make public, we actually publish as public. Jumping over to what it looks like from the consumption point of view, you'll be able to, let's see, declare your own server, depend on the Deephaven server jar, and get all of its transitive dependencies in something that looks like this. So I've created a simple example here. I pulled a very random jar from Maven Central that does ASCII art. So this is kind of the custom part of the demo right here. So let's pretend I'm a com.example, some third party, and I want to create a Deephaven server with this Figlet dependency there. And so you can declare any dependencies you want right here, declare a dependency on the Deephaven server, and again, that will depend on the transitive ones that Deephaven server is necessary. And then some other setup jars for logging and some compilation stuff. And what we can go ahead and do is we can go ahead and install this locally to run it. And then we can go ahead and launch it. Actually, I'll show you kind of what I've done first. This is just a very simple server that at the very beginning prints out Deephaven server and ASCII art, and then waits for the user to press enter before continuing to start the server. Of course, you could use this on the class path for queries and stuff as well, but I figured this was easy to show from the command line. So if we go ahead and run, this is the Deephaven server. There's the ASCII art for Deephaven server, and we can press enter to continue and continue starting up our server. So that is the demo that I have for this week. And so I think that concludes the demos for today, February week 2. Thanks.